The Konark Sun Temple is located in which state? The correct answer is Odisha. Which of the following is not a tomb? The correct answer is Charminar. What was the name of Maharana Pratap's horse? The correct answer is Chetak. The Rowlatt Act was passed in which year? The correct answer is 1919. Karle Caves are located in which state? The correct answer is Maharashtra. Ajanta and Ellora Caves are located in which state? The correct answer is Maharashtra. Who wrote the national song Vande Mataram? The correct answer is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. The Shimla Agreement 1972 was signed between. The correct answer is India and Pakistan. The Line of Control LOC was established in which year? The correct answer is 1972. Manas Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? The correct answer is Assam. Revival of Nalanda University is associated with. The correct answer is Amartya Sen. Which is the fastest running train in India? The correct answer is Vande Bharat Express. Which is the economically strongest state in India? The correct answer is Maharashtra. Which is the cleanest city in India? The correct answer is Indore. Who is the current governor of the Reserve Bank of India? The correct answer is Sanjay Malhotra. Who is the current Defence Minister of India? The correct answer is Rajnath Singh. Which state is the largest producer of salt in India? The correct answer is Gujarat. Where is the Supreme Court of India located? The correct answer is Delhi. How many countries are there in the world? The correct answer is 195. When was the Constitution of India implemented? The correct answer is 26th January 1950. Who was the first woman governor of India? The correct answer is Sarojini Naidu. In which language was the Mahabharata written? The correct answer is Sanskrit. Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? The correct answer is Karnam Malleshwari. Who was the first female ruler of India? The correct answer is Razia Sultan. Which symbol is engraved on the Bharat Ratna award? The correct answer is Sun. Which is the largest bone in the human body? The correct answer is femur. Which is the largest tribe in India? The correct answer is Bhil. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? The correct answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Minimum age to become a Lok Sabha member? The correct answer is 25. Where is the world's largest school located? The correct answer is India. Where is saffron produced the most in India? The correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Which state has the highest number of Buddhists in India? The correct answer is Maharashtra. Which state produces the most sugarcane in India? The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Which is the longest dam in India? The correct answer is Hirakud Dam. In which text did Lord Krishna give the Gita's teachings? The correct answer is Mahabharat. Who first called Mahatma Gandhi father of the nation? The correct answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. Who is the current Railway Minister of India? The correct answer is Ashwini Vaishnav. Between which cities did the first Vande Bharat Express run? The correct answer is Delhi to Varanasi. In which year was the Planning Commission replaced by Niti Aayog? The correct answer is 2015. Who designed the new Parliament building of India? The correct answer is Bimal Patel. Which vitamin helps in blood clotting? The correct answer is vitamin K. Who is the current National Security Advisor of India? The correct answer is Ajit Doval. Who is the current Speaker of Lok Sabha? The correct answer is Om Birla. Who is the current President of India? The correct answer is Draupadi Murmu. What is the best source of vitamin C? The correct answer is Amla. Who is the founder of Facebook? The correct answer is Mark Zuckerberg. Who is the current External Affairs Minister of India? The correct answer is Drs. Jaishankar. What percentage of oxygen is present in the atmosphere? The correct answer is about 21%. When is World Literacy Day celebrated? The correct answer is 8th September. How many union territories are there in India currently? The correct answer is 8. In which state is the Thar Desert mostly located? The correct answer is Rajasthan. Who designed the Indian rupee symbol? The correct answer is Uday Kumar. When is World AIDS Day observed? The correct answer is 1st December. Which city is known as the Manchester of India? The correct answer is Ahmedabad. Pongal festival is celebrated in which state? The correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Who is the Supreme Commander of Indian Armed Forces? The correct answer is President. Which is the oldest national park in India? The correct answer is Jim Corbett National Park. Which is the smallest planet in the solar system? The correct answer is Mercury. Kanchenjunga Peak is located in which Indian state? The correct answer is Sikkim. Where did Lord Buddha deliver his first sermon? The correct answer is Sarnath. Loktak Lake is located in which state? The correct answer is Manipur. Where is the famous Kamakhya temple located? The correct answer is Assam. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? The correct answer is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Deficiency of which vitamin causes night blindness? The correct answer is vitamin A. Which is the longest river in the world? The correct answer is Nile River. Which is the highest mountain peak in the world? The correct answer is Mount Everest. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? The correct answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Which is the smallest state in India by area? The correct answer is Goa. Which vitamin is obtained from sunlight? The correct answer is vitamin D. Who was the first Indian to travel into space? The correct answer is Rakesh Sharma. How many bones are there in the human skull? The correct answer is 22. Kaziranga National Park is located in which state? The correct answer is Assam. Which is the largest country in the world by area? The correct answer is Russia. What is the national aquatic animal of India? The correct answer is Ganga dolphin. When was the Gateway of India built? The correct answer is 1924. Which is the brightest planet in the solar system? The correct answer is Venus. Which instrument is used to measure the purity of milk? The correct answer is lactometer. What is the currency of Japan? The correct answer is yen. Which state has the longest coastline in India? The correct answer is Gujarat. Which is the largest island in the world? The correct answer is Greenland. In which country was paper invented? The correct answer is China. Which city is known as the City of Lakes? The correct answer is Udaipur. Which planet has the highest number of moons? The correct answer is Saturn. Where is the thyroid gland located in the human body? The correct answer is neck. When was the Reserve Bank of India established? The correct answer is 1935. Hirakud Dam is located in which state? The correct answer is Odisha. In which state does the sun rise first in India? The correct answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Kathak classical dance is associated with which state? The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. What was the name of India's first satellite? The correct answer is Aryabhatta. Who discovered the cell? The correct answer is Robert Hooke. What is the SI unit of magnetic flux? The correct answer is Weber. Keyboard is which type of device? The correct answer is input. Which is the smallest union territory of India by area? The correct answer is Lakshadweep. How many fundamental rights were there originally in the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is 7. Where is the femur longest bone located in the human body? The correct answer is thigh, leg. Where is Bibi Ka Maqbara located? The correct answer is Aurangabad. Which is the highest volcano in the world? The correct answer is Cotopaxi. The Ayyanur Ammanur festival is mainly associated with which tribal community? The correct answer is Kota. What is the average depth of the Pacific Ocean? The correct answer is 4,000 meters. Sundarbans Delta is formed by which rivers? The correct answer is Ganga and Brahmaputra. Which organ purifies blood in the human body? The correct answer is kidney. When was the tiger declared as the national animal of India? The correct answer is 1973.